Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect ConvertKit or Kit to your Framer website. All right, so let's begin with the video. So I have this basic Framer website right here. Now let's say we want to add a ConvertKit signup for my ConvertKit email list right here. What we can do is go to the top left where it says Insert, then we can come down to where it says Forms, and from here we want to select where it says ConvertKit, or it might say Kit. This is going to create a ConvertKit signup input. And what we can do is drag this right under that button. And we can go ahead and click on that and come over to where it says ConvertKit on the sidebar here. You may need to scroll down. And what we want to do is connect this to our ConvertKit dashboard. So I have my ConvertKit account here, which is now called Kit. And what I'm going to do is go to the top right where I see my profile. Go ahead and click on that, and then click on where it says Settings. Now from here, I want to go to the sidebar on the bottom left and click on where it says Developer. Under the API Keys section, what I'm going to do is find my v3 API key right here, and then go ahead and copy that by clicking on the Copy button. I'm going to come back to my Framer website, and in the API key input here, I'm going to go ahead and paste that API key like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and save that and preview the website. Then let's go ahead and enter in a basic email. I'm just going to use a test email like so. And now if I hit subscribe, it will add that subscription to my subscribers list on ConvertKit. So that's basically how you can connect ConvertKit or Kit to your Framer website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.